You can replace a bad thermostat wire yourself with basic tools and careful attention to safety and wiring details. Start by cutting power at the furnace or air handler, and verify no voltage at the thermostat wiring with a non-contact tester or multimeter, because testing prevents shocks and equipment damage. Remove the thermostat cover and label each conductor by function rather than just color, because older systems may have non-standard colors. Take a clear photo for reference. At the furnace end, loosen the terminal screws and note the lettered terminals such as R, W, Y, G, and C. If you have only 2 wires and a mechanical thermostat, you will typically use R and W. Choose thermostat cable sized for low voltage control, normally 18 gauge stranded thermostat cable, and route it avoiding hot ducts, sharp edges, and high voltage wiring to prevent insulation damage and electrical noise. Strip about 3/8 of an inch of insulation from each conductor and twist stranded wire tightly before inserting under terminal screws to ensure a reliable connection. If using wire nuts at splices, use ones rated for stranded low voltage wire. If you must extend a run, use an inline connector designed for small gauge stranded wire or run a continuous new cable to avoid weak splice points. Label both ends after splicing for future troubleshooting. After making connections, restore power and test system operation by calling for heat or cooling from the thermostat while observing furnace or condenser response and thermostat indicators. Common mistakes include misidentifying conductors, which can energize the wrong circuit and damage equipment, so always label and photograph before disconnecting and confirm each terminal letter at both ends. A second frequent issue is poor mechanical connections that cause intermittent operation. Use proper stripping lengths, twist stranded wire, and tighten terminal screws to manufacturer torque recommendations when available. A third problem is running thermostat cable too close to high voltage wiring or motors, which introduces electrical interference and false readings. Route control wiring separately or cross high voltage runs at right angles, and use shielded cable only when necessary and compatible with the thermostat. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and we help contractors find work by connecting them with interested homeowners. We also host a discussion community where users share experiences, ask questions, and post photos to get advice before they commit to a job.